What an absolutely incredible day for Fairport Harbor Schools. Today isn't about cutting the ribbon. It's about opening the doors to the future, full of promise, opportunity, and inspiration for every child who walks through these halls. And it represents our shared belief that our students deserve the best, and today we deliver on that promise.
It is the community that truly makes this place a place, not necessarily the building. This is the new home for Fairport Harbor.
A 1 square mile town with no appreciable industry decided yet again to support its future and its children when it voted for the levy to put this school building in. We are committing to the next 100 years.
I too was here for the groundbreaking, and it's astounding to see the beautiful building that has grown out of the ground today with so much work and so much ambition. But I think even more exciting than that is to look at the kids next to us and to think that they're going to be coming through these halls, what they're going to learn, what they're going to achieve. They're the next generation of Fairport Harbor.
We are so excited today to have you here, to take a walk through, take a look at the new spaces, take a look at the new classrooms.
I am so thrilled to see our students, our staff, and so many proud residents gathered here to celebrate this truly historic moment.
The community has been wanting this for a long time. The students, the staff, the community, everyone is just really excited to be in this new facility that I hope will be the hub of our entire community for years to come.
So I was very impressed with the turnout today for our event. We were at capacity in the cafetorium. We had people in the overlook, we had people in the stairwell, we had the marching band, staff, we had students, we had community members. It just shows that this 1 square mile village really comes out to support their schools.
We've all been waiting for this for so long, so the turnout was humongous, and I think everyone's very excited. It's just beautiful, and I think it's just gonna fit our community so well.
We were looking around our new school to celebrate what we have new and what we build as a community.
During the design focus, we spent a lot of time trying to imagine ourselves living and moving through these spaces to really create opportunities for learning that give our teachers a chance to do something different. It really opens up a lot of opportunities.
You're so funny.
Coming from 100-plus-year-old buildings into something brand new in 2025, I think it's going to be a great area for all kinds of opportunities into the future.
There are several little nooks and like resource areas, and I think that's great for, any tutoring or small group session, for those to be like, really nice little spots for people to go and teachers to work with the students individually or in the small groups.
With the completion of this building, I see Fairport really expanding their educational opportunities for our students. There's just so much more for our students than they had in our buildings that were 100 years old.
I see us continuing to advance and make this a place where people really want to send their kids.
You guys should move here. Fairport is very nice. A small town, huge school. It's very nice.
Yeah!